I is discussion of on League of Cities conference. Adams first. It was my suggestion that since we spent money from the budget to go to these meetings, that we at least inform you of what we participated in and if it was of any value to us. So in order to do that, we have to share that information. So that's what we're about right now.
In front of you, you saw a small packet of stuff sitting towards the top. I didn't make copies of everything I received from every one of my classes. I just gave you some of the highlight pieces that I went to. For people in the public to understand, when we go to these events, we try to spread out. We don't all try to go to the one that sounds like it's the most interesting or the most important to us. We try to spread out so that we can catch as much among the members who actually attend these events. So you might notice that some of us went to some things that we wouldn't have probably normally gone to.